What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to customize, how to edit, how to style up the footer section of your WordPress website. Let me show you the footer section. If you scroll down to the page of the site, you can see this section right here with a couple of links, something like the copyright text, your website title. This is the footer section of your site, and we can customize this. We can change the layout, the styles, and we have some pre-built websites and pre-built layouts for this footer section, even into the WordPress very basic versions for free. Okay, how to use this, how to customize this is what we're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over appearance. In the case that you are using a block WordPress theme, you can see two options right here, themes and editor. We're gonna click on editor. Wait while the website loads. And here is the site, okay? We're gonna scroll down and click into the footer section, just like this. Click once again, and right here we're gonna be able to see a footer purple icon and an edit button. Click into this edit button. Now we're gonna be editing the footer of our site. And if you review the right sidebar of menus on my editor, we can see a couple of layouts that we can play with, okay? For example, imagine that we would like to change our footer to look like this. Can you see? Nice, right? Or maybe like this. Good, well, don't you think? Or maybe like this one. This one is good as well, in my opinion. Or this one. There is a couple of layouts that you can play with to customize your site footer, okay? And if you click into this plus button into the upper left corner of my screen, next to the website logotype or WordPress logotype, we're gonna click into the plus icon. From blocks, we're gonna click into the patterns option, and right here we can find the footers, okay? And we have even more footers to play with. For example, imagine that you like this one. We're gonna need to delete the previous footer, okay? This one right here. And here is the new one. We can apply a logotype right here. Just like this. We can change the icons in the case that we want, apply links to the icons. We can change the background color. For it, click into the color. Next to the save button, into the upper right corner of your screen, there is this option right here to open the bars. And there is a color option, style. Right here, we can change the colors. For example, the background. Just like this. Save your changes. Always remember to save your changes. And here is your new website footer. In the case that you do not want to change all the site colors, we can go back to colors, typography, clear it, save changes once again. And of course, we always can delete the footer and apply a new one in the case that I want. And still continue customizing the footer. Let's change the background only of the footer now, just like this. Let's review, and here we go. We have a footer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.